Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up some of the new Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels H case. Before we crack open the cars, the winner of my latest Hot Wheels car giveaway is... Congratulations to the winner and thank each and every one of you for entering the giveaway. Now it's time to open up these new Hot Wheels cars. The HW Exotics Forza Horizon 4 McLaren Senna. The Red Nightburners 2018 Honda Civic Type R. The HW Speed Graphics Brembo 2018 Camaro SS. The HW Flame 68 Mercury Cougar. The red HW Moto Ducati 1199 Panigale. The HW Hot Trucks 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. The HW Speed Graphics Gulf Racing 68 Chevy Nova. The Musclemania Blue 2018 Copo Camaro SS. The new color of the Dino Riders Motosaurus. The HW Flame 70 Chevelle SS Wagon.
Do you wanna dance?
The regular Treasure Hunt Xper Motors Head Starter. The HW Speed Graphics Mazda RX-7. The blue Nissan Fairlady Z. The Rusty Custom Volkswagen Beetle. The blue color of the Volkswagen Golf Mark II. The HW Race Day Robo Race Robocar. So there we have 16 Hot Wheels cars out of the package and they look incredible. My favorites are the McLaren Senna and the Honda Civic Type R, but let me know what you guys like in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.
Do you wanna dance?